Today, I'd like to share with you a collection of dog and cat paintings I've created over the past 5 years. Most of these were commissioned pieces. What I love most about painting dogs is capturing their expressions through their eyes. In napping bodies, however, the dogs feel almost anonymous. Peacefully dreaming, they are curled together into one inseparable shape. Even as they sleep, a visual embodiment of their deep bond. When it comes to painting animals, whether they are dogs or cats, my advice is to start by understanding their structure beneath the fur. Each breed has its own unique proportions, shapes, and placement of the features. Without this understanding, painting becomes like trying to copy the folds of the sleeve without knowing that there is an arm beneath it, a cylinder that gives shapes to the fabric. When painting, look for the corners where planes of the form change directions. It is there the fur changes direction as well, and its texture. Remember, in painting, you cannot actually paint a fur or skin. You can only make brush strokes that represent them. Choosing the right brush strokes is important. For example, short and stubby for coarse hair, long and flowing for silky fur, depending on the light and texture of the animal. When painting white animals, the choice of the background color becomes important. White color is reflective. It absorbs colors of its environment. While the tones in white fur may appear muted or pastel, infusing it with colors can bring life and vibrancy to the painting. In contrast, dark or black fur is defined by highlights. Many details are lost, and only by zigzagging highlights we can create forms. Black fur can also be reflective of its surroundings. The focal point of any portraits is their eyes. Breathe life into them and make them expressive. On the speed up video I've included, you can see my process during the second day of work on the painting. I start by searching for the large planes of the face, focusing on the relationship between the parts. Gradually, I add details, harmonizing and softening the features. I call this stage growing the fur as I use texture and brushstrokes to develop the illusion of volume and softness. Thank you so much for watching this video.